I should have never ran away from my aunt's house, because the problem I hoped to escape by running away was replaced by even bigger problems on the streets. I didn't have no rules or no guidance, and you need rules and guidance if you're planning on making it and being successful in this world. Plus you need discipline, and I had none of that. When you think about running away, you probably imagine that there will be no more rules, no parents to tell you what to do, no more fights. Sounds great and exciting, right? Running away is anything but fun. When you run away, you face new problems, like not having any money, food to eat, a safe place to sleep, or anyone to look out for you. People with no home and no money becomes desperate, doing anything just to meet their basic needs. I should have talked to my other aunts about it, a close relative, a counselor, teacher, or another trusted adult. Kids are scared to talk about things. Y'all don't talk, but y'all need to start talking.